What's up guys, David Falla here, and today we're doing a super cool video, something totally different than what I usually do, because this is going to be a collaboration where I know the artist. Actually it's going to be a fade on the sides. I'm going to show you guys how to do that, and then the top is going to be braided. Super cool. One of my clients, I think he looks awesome, and I think this is a look for many people that want to have long hair but they want something cool, something edgy. So yeah, let's watch the video. Actually, before I start the video, I kind of want to do like a little introduction to it. While she was doing the braids, I couldn't really pay attention because I had a client at the moment, so I was cutting. But what I did, I put the camera, you know, and recorded some of what she did, so you guys could see kind of like a little bit of how she did them. It's kind of hard to explain how to do braids when, you know, I don't do them myself, so I will try to have her here next time, explain to you guys how to do them and all that stuff. But anyway, for now, we recorded some of what she did, and then after that I'm going to explain how to do the fade on the sides, just in case you guys get clients that want this type of hairstyle. I did a skin fade, kind of high. You guys can do a different way, but this is just my way of doing it. Okay, so let's watch the video, and if you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comments. You can also send them on social media. Also, if you guys like the video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like it, you know that helps the channel grow. And also, don't forget to follow Kass on her social media. I'm going to leave her Instagram in the description so you guys can follow her there. And that's it, let's watch the video and let me know what you guys think.
Faster I try to leave, like a mirage, like a mirage. The scars that you don't like me, on my arms I appear empty, like a mirage, like a mirage. to me. The faster I try to